say the difference between a funnel and a website. A lot of people, when they want to get online and they know that they need to be taken seriously, they think a website is what they need. They think a website is what they need, and nothing could be further from the truth. A website is not optimized for sales. Don't let any web designer tell you that in order to make sales, you need a website. No. What you need is a funnel. What is the job of a website? A website is designed and optimized to provide credibility. When people want to, and this is usually for serious brand building processes, not startup businesses where you're just getting started online and then the next thing you're thinking of is a website. You may or may not need a website for people to take you seriously and all that. But to sell, you need funnels. It is incontrovertible. Why? Because funnels are designed and optimized to get people to take specific desired action. Like you can see from here, a website would not do all this. This is not a website. This is a funnel. This is a funnel. This is meant to guide people through the journey, through the steps. If a website, let's go to, so I'm not just talking off of my head. Let's go to Dangote website. You see what I'm saying? Now let's go to dangote.com. Let's hope that the internet works really fast to get us what we are looking for. Okay. All right. So this is Dangote's website. What are they showing you here that you can see? Touching lives, our businesses, sustainability. How many places will you have to search here? Let's say that they actually sell something on this website. How many places will you have to check before you are ready to buy something? It'll take time. So it is good if someone shows you this and you'll be like, oh yeah, like these guys actually are this is credibility right here. You can see the video, you can see what they are doing. So this provides credibility and shows you that yes, this business is solid, it exists. So a website can give you credibility, can show that you have something you're doing. Now this is a big business, this is a brand, so they definitely need to have a website. But for a startup business, it is not compulsory. You get to a stage in your brand building process when you are then due for a website and all that. But when you're just starting out, a funnel is more than enough to provide the credibility, to provide the human to human contact that you need in order for people to get stuff from you. So a funnel could do the job of a website and its own self at the same time. So don't let anybody bamboozle you that when you're just starting out, because it's all these shiny objects, all these packages that we get carried away by when we are supposed to be focusing on how do we get the first sale. So I hope you understand.